Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. This video we're going to go through this code here, 40D4 40C4 4501 and probably 4A66, which is all to do with the same stuff. I won't even bother, and do you know what, that's irrelevant anyway. The main three is this one, exhaust gas recirculation control. So diesel 1.6 mini, we have 2010. It's done more internal runs. The reality is things can be fixed. What we recommend is, if you've done a lot of internal run, it's probably clogged up. The lever inside is probably not, the swirl flap, whatever you call it, is not turning or opening fully, so it's triggered it and has brought the engine management light on the screen. What we would recommend as a starter would be to get a diagnostic machine or someone who has, reset the EGR and go for a nice blast. And I mean like half an hour, 40 minutes if you can. High revs, between 2,500 3,000 revs. Keep it then, gear 5, whatever it is, 60 70 miles an hour. Keep doing it. This may burn it out. Boom, done. If this doesn't, what we recommend, obviously it's at the back here as far as I know, the EGR, I could be wrong, correct me guys, so right here, I'll have to take this out, it's there, but is take it out, clean it, put it back. But reality is, it is a bit of a faff to get into it and to take it out, clean it, put it back. It's far better just to put a new one in, make sure it's OEM, and just put it on, because you've done the hassle of the time, whatnot. Put it on, reset it, done, get cracking. The other alternative is, what a lot of people do is they remap it. So they come out, remap it, delete the EGR, done, dusted, but that's going to be a few £100 anyway. Depends who does it, maybe 100, 150, 200, whatever people can offer. But they're the options you can do. I said it is round the back there as far as I know. You will lose power, you may go into limp mode. These are the sort of signs you may have. Some do smoke, some not really. The reality is it doesn't smoke as far as I know, it never really has. But diesel engines for you, that's the fault code, and if it is, and also this is a picture of what it looks like. Get OEM, don't get aftermarket please, and get new.